Yo, good morning. Wanted to give everybody a quick snapshot of everything that we should be posting and testing over the next 2 to 3 weeks. I have been basically gone for the last 4-ish weeks or so. Was fortunate enough to be able to go celebrate a 5-year anniversary with my lovely wife. And the whole time I was gone, with basically a 2-3 person business doing close to $2 million every single year. And I was actually able to clock out for a full 2 weeks, which was really amazing, and just big props to the team, our systems, our automations, all of that kind of stuff. But anyways, we've been doing a lot. The second I got back, we immediately added another sequencer to our stack. We are building a massive front-end analytics for all of our sequencers, so all the data can stream in. And we're doing a migration on our master inbox. There's so much that we've been busy with that I haven't had any time to produce anything. And so here's just a quick snapshot of everything that you should be able to anticipate us publishing over the next 2 to 3 weeks or so. And so the big one is one of our largest clients, Fixer. We're shooting 2 to 4 million emails a month for them. I'll be going over this entire sheet with them, everything that we've been doing, how exactly we're thinking about looking at all the data, and how we reiterate week over week. And the quick snapshot there is we're getting close to being responsible for about 19% of all of their weekly signups, and that's competing with them spending a ridiculous amount of coin on meta ads every single week, right? We're doing a bunch of tests when it comes to let's scrape a company's followers, run outbound to them. We're doing another test where we're going to be comparing lookalike audience builds. So let's take a client's companies or a client's customers, run it through a lookalike builder, put it through PandaMatch, put it through Ocean. And PS, there's a new data provider coming on the market that we're probably going to test on the same time as them. Stay tuned for that. We're going to be testing Lead Magic against one of their competitors called Wizza. We're going to be doing a bunch of custom scrapes for somebody that's trying to target home flippers. We have a follow-up on our test to see how does Smart Lead compete against Instant Lead, compete against Bison, because the last time we did that, there was a bug between Clay and Smart Lead that nobody knew about, that we helped them fix, and all that kind of stuff. We're doing a massive test where we pulled 10 million leads, and we have split them up between a seniority, and the product that we're selling is equally sellable to all of them. And so we're going to do massive tests on each one of those, which ones give us the best multiple. Of course, we're going to be doing our mega deliverability test in real time to see what inboxes deliver best to other inboxes. What are the best configurations to achieve maximum deliverability at scale? So what inboxes do you use? What inboxes do you target? What sequencers do you use? And everything else in between. I'm going to go over our entire front-end analytics portal for everything that we've been building, and how exactly we're pulling in all of our data so we can have reliable data on every email that we're sending, and then analyze copy. There's so much on that I can go into today. And then last but absolutely not least is that we just began migrating all of our master inbox systems over to a new tool on the market called HotHawk. It is really, really cool. It has been working basically flawlessly. There's been a couple things where it's like, hey, can you send us the HTML body instead? And they go, yeah. So they've been super great. And I think HotHawk will be a major game changer in the coming weeks. So anyways, it's a lot to go over, but mostly wanted to say that I'm still here. I'm just ridiculously busy delivering and increasing all of our systems for our clients. And one thing I can promise you is that publishing what we're doing in public is my number one job for the next 3 months. And so my goal is 2-3 times a week if I can. We'll see if I'll be able to do that while I'm running a 2-person business, but I know we can get it done. So anyways, appreciate your time as always. Peace.